can I be practical about how do I take decisions that align with me and that align with my cosmic purpose without second guessing? So I'll be practical because I also want people to live a practical life, not theory, right? How will you know if something is truly right for you, is part of your cosmic calling and cosmic purpose, cosmic contract? How would you know? Because out of everything you did, there were things that you were never involved into. Because it's always a binary, you choose this over this. How would you know that what you've chosen is exactly what you needed to choose? How would you know that you were not supposed to choose the option that you did not take? How would you know? That will be guessing. Black shoe, change your shoe. You see, anything, any car, any device, any electronics, outside, you'll see something written, the capabilities and the efficacy and the performance of that device or whatever, or whether it's a car, whether it's a whatever it is, something will be written with land or capable of doing 1, 2, 3. And ngeke uzuyenzisa into engadesignwanga ukuthi iyenze. Nakuwena ke it's same thing applies. Ngalesi sikhathi obingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Right. Njengoba ngiqeda ukukhuluma ngalento yokuthi izinto ziyabhala ukuthi okay, like thola ukuthi kuthiwa imoto mhlawumbe 166 kilowatts power, it is a 1.2 engine, yabo, all of those things, it have this and that and this and that, yabo, ama specification. It's a laptop, it's a 8 gig or 4 gig drive, yonke lot, or RAM, 4 gig RAM and all of those things, ban processor, 500 gig memory, yonke lo into le ama specifications athile, of which a certain thing will be able to perform a certain task. Size wena ke muntu, if wena you say you are taking this decision, and this decision that you are taking, it's something that you cannot even perform, that you are not even designed to perform, yabo, but because you and your mind nivumelene ngokuthi maybe kune status involved, or kuno connection othile, or there's money involved, or for whatever reason you find yourself taking a certain decision because you've calculated what are you going to benefit, shying away from whether are you able or are you like designed to be able to handle. Do you have the efficacy to handle what you are about to put yourself into? Yabo, lokho ke we don't check it. Kanti you need to check that as well. Yeah, umuntu ubuya agcinaneke la. Right. Let me be practical, as I said. Ake ngibuke nje lento ethiwa noma le type le ekuthiwa ama generators, because many of us we are generators, right? 70% of the world's population generators. It means they are responding. What is responding? That is the strategy first. What is responding in life? It means, like for an example, in the simple, if I greet you, you will respond, right? You cannot respond ngakubingelelile. Ngekukhamuka ukuthi yebo. You are not responding now. You are initiator. Yebo? Because it means to respond, I need to greet you and then you respond. It means something needs to happen and then you respond. If you don't do that, it means you are not responding. You are initiating. We are starting things, of which is not part of what we are designed, how we are designed to live. You as a generator, you are not designed to live like that. Anything that you need to do, any decision that you need to take will come to you. And when you need to respond, how do you respond? You respond with your gut, your sacral. Check again. It's boneless practical. Mina, like some couple of years ago, ngangiqashile kwenye indawo, yabo, qashile kwenye indawo, and relocating was not even part of the plan because the rent was very, very, very cheap. Ayindawo hleli ndawonye, ubani ongafuni ukuhlala lapho forever, right here. But when I had to move out, I did not initiate from my mind, I think now I need to move out. No, I did not do that. I responded. Something needed to show up first before I respond. Yes. And if you respond, things will go according to the divine plan. Nga respond ukuthi kwakhona something eyenzekalayo. Kwakuthi nje mina noMaster asathulana kahle because I needed her to fix something for me, like part of repairs in the building, to fix something like crack kwendlu ibuyi crack indlu, and yena uthi hayi wena oyenze crack, like really quite issue nje ngabona sekuyi issue kwabona it's really a big issue now with this thing. It's really a big issue, and isicapha sivaleki kahle ngenxa le crack. Isakral yami yasho yathi no more, athathi ngeke ukuthi ube la, yazi ukuthi ngasukumisa okwenhlamvu, ngavele nje ngaya ngisho emsebenzini ke for that matter, because my sacral now was responding to say now it's time to move. I did not initiate to move from one place to the next. If I come to another place that day, just went straight to the room eyayikade iyona yodwa ikhona available, and ngiphume endlini, something told me ukuthi yazi ngenxa yepower wena osunayo sekumele ukuthi manje uhlale estes, yabo, istes ke ngihlala kusona mina, kumele uhlale estes. Ngiphuma nje, I was told by what was responding, you have kumele uhlale estes manje. And ngitshela ukuthi I never knew anything about the place engangiyohlala kuyona. I walked like this. Ngaqala nje kwenye indawo ngabona into ahlangana la. Ngawalka like uyifuna into ongathi ufuna imbuzi. Ngathi nazi yabo uqalaza kanje ngiyawalka. No ya into yangibiza yona. Ngaze ngafika, mangifika vele the rest is history, yabo. The rest is history. The way things aligned ngakhona. The way things aligned from that point to the relocation to ukufanakala where transport is or relocate, everything, it was like someone has planned this. Indlela izinto ezenza smooth, is like someone has already prepared things, talk to people who bana bazoqoqela, because you are taking the decision ngokurespond kwenzeka kanjalo. 2, mina I've never advertised here on TikTok ukuthi ngizokhokhela umuntu angi-advertisele business noma I've never advertised ngaleyo ndlela like TikTok. Ziningi indlela zoku-advertise like TikTok, but akaze nje kuze kungifikele ukuthi angizame any. I just talk like this, yabo. But of which ke nami ngivumelekile uku-accessa indlela ezithile eziningi zoku-advertise la ku TikTok nokupromote. But mina, based on responding, I shouldn't have like initiated. Now I think I need to do this. Why people are doing this? No, I need to respond. Like now, I just saw a video and a couple of them. You like this? Because this is an advert. Yes, I like this. I think now I need to do it. Isakral is my authority. Yet, because I'm responding, I did not initiate. I hooked up to a guy okwazi ukwenza lezo zinto lezo nokwenza nokushuta and blah 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 blah, and responded instantly. Yabona into yala, ngiyabazi mina abantu la ku TikTok. Yabo mangabe ukuthi uyaziphosta nje umuntu mhlawumbe busy kwase isikhathi umuntu akayiboni ngisho message yakho, yabo. Tshela ukuthi we engaged nicely and someone will consider that as something that kumele ukuthi ayifake incorporate kuma business systems akhe, and it's gonna play out very nicely. Mafuna ukwazi ngechat lakho lokhu kanye nokunye, ungaya ku website yethu www.akashenmedia.co.za, ungabhala nje na Google lokho, uthole lokho kanye nokunye ungangibuza la ungacaciseleki khona.